Yes, we are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. Today we're going to talk about, will Bitcoin hit 2K? We're going to look over some charts, and we're just going to talk about crypto. If you don't know who I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader. I day traded financial markets and also swing trade crypto, so definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more, because I only look at the charts. I don't care about the news, white paper, all this crazy stuff that most people care about. I make my money strictly from the charts. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. I'm doing a late live stream, so I don't know if people's gonna show up, but let's get this over with, and we're gonna look at some charts, okay? Let me give you guys a round of applause if I have that up. I don't know if I have it up. Let me see if I can get it real quick. But thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. Let me pop this out real quick, if I could. All right, if I could, let me pop this out. And you know, I wasn't really trying to do a stream today, but it is what it is. I'm here. We're gonna look at these charts because everybody was claiming that we was gonna moon up soon, and and next thing you know, I'm seeing a red candle. So this definitely doesn't look bullish at all, So let's go to that 4-hour chart. Actually, let me go to CoinMarketCap real quick. The dominance is actually going back to 53. So right now it's 52.9. Market cap is at 120 billion. The volume is low. Pretty much single digits across the board. Nothing really crazy percentage wise. But let's see what's going on the charts. But before we even go to that, remember, guys, it's that 100 billion these guys was defending. Remember that? Okay, it was what, last week, I believe, or it was last week or 2 weeks ago. That $100 billion market cap, they was defending that. Okay, so if we decide to go under that mark, a couple things could happen. We just might have a crazy flush, and then just go down like crazy, or we might go below, like 98, 99, 97, find temporary support, and go up a little bit. So we will definitely see. So let's go to that 4-hour chart, and let's see if I see anything here. And what we see, guys, is just, guys, this is textbook. Okay, if anybody, guys, if anybody tells you that technical analysis doesn't work in crypto, please run very fast from that person. Okay, this stuff works like gangbusters. Look at this: a drop, consolidation, drop. Okay, so what I'm looking at right now, this looks like continuation to me. It looks like we don't have, it makes no sense for Bitcoin to go up right now, because this looks like a bearish sign, and it looks like we want to go up. Go down more. Okay, now a couple of things can happen, because right now, if you look at this picture, we do have some type of inverse head and shoulders that a lot of people is pointing out right now. So a couple of things can happen. We can maybe find support right here, try to go up. Okay, but if we do decide to go up, how far are we going to go up? Because right now it doesn't look like we're going to go up that far. Okay, it doesn't look like we're going to just shoot up. Okay, So we will definitely see how these guys will react to this support level right here. Okay. But you know where I stand. You know that I always tell you guys 98% of these patterns fell in the bear market. Okay. Especially when we are at the beginning of the bear market. Okay. So you guys really have to understand that. We just, guys, I don't know if I have to remind you, we just broke out of a triangle that been pretty much consolidating for 1 year. So you can't really expect to see any type of bounce or reversal right now. There's a lot of sellers going on. I mean, a lot of sellers right now in the market. And it looks like most likely we want to test these lows again. Now, if it tests these lows again, we're going to be flirting with that $100 billion mark, okay? And if we flirt with that $100 billion mark, then most likely they're probably gonna break it, okay? So if we break it with a lot of force, that 2,900 is right there, okay? Once we hit that 2,900, this thing could get ugly. We will see where they want to go, but this thing could get real ugly, okay? So if you guys have any questions, please type it in. Please type it in. I'm just gonna go over these charts, guys. I mean, this, like I said, this thing can get ugly. We can do a quick measure move off to this right here. I mean, off this big drop, we go something like this. Let's see what we get here. Okay, so we get around 1,100, 1,000. Okay, so that's definitely a possibility. We can go down this low, but it's not going to happen in one shot. So you got to be prepared for that. Because the way I'm looking at this thing, it doesn't really make any sense for these guys to go back up here. Okay, it doesn't make any sense at all. Shout out to all you guys stopping by though. Appreciate you guys. Like I said before, if you have any questions, type it in. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button. And hit the subscribe button. And if you guys are just basically tired of just trying to figure out how the market, or try to figure out where the market is going, okay, and if you're tired of just basically losing from cryptocurrency, okay, from the cryptocurrency market, hit that subscribe button, okay? Because over here, guys, I've been telling you guys the facts since day one, okay? Most of you guys thought I was nuts. You probably didn't think I was, didn't think I knew what I was talking about. But it is what it is. I understand bear market, so I'm glad to tell you guys about this stuff. Definitely. So hold on, guys, for a second. I don't know why I see 2 live streams like that. I don't know why. I don't know. Anyway, it looks like I have 2 live streams going on. That can't be true. Why my thing says 2 live streams? Yeah, Aces said I'm live twice. Exactly. How is that possible, guys? Can you do a live stream twice? Hold on, guys. You know what? I'm going to end this. Hold on. Let me see something real quick, because I don't know how you can do a live stream twice. Anybody in this room know how you can live stream twice in a row? So, guys, let me ask you a question. Can you see both of them at the same time? When you click on both of them, what are you guys hearing me? I swear I never saw that in my life. You can only see one. It's the same stream, but it's both different. All right, so yeah, different thumbnails. So let me ask you a question, guys. It's different thumbnails, right? What about this? What about the same people that's on the other live stream? You guys is on this live stream too? Because I never saw this in my life. So it's the same chat as well. Okay. That's weird. That is super weird. Same chat. It's like YouTube merged the streams. Yeah, I know. I see. That's weird. I never saw that in my life. $2X. Anyway, let's keep this, guys. Let's keep this going, guys. Let's keep this going. Cause I don't know what's going on. You said same chat, a little delayed, same live stream. That's crazy, guys. This is nuts. Okay, but let's keep this going. Let's keep it going. They splitting the live streams in half. I don't know why. It is what it is. All right, let's keep this thing going. Guys, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Let's see who's in the building in a little bit. Sean, Ahmed, Octavio, I believe, Rufus, Davina, Sean, Randy, J.A., Mr. Kush. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming through. I appreciate all you guys. You know, it's good to see you guys, all right? Randy, all you guys, Aces, Brian, all you guys, man. Thanks a lot for stopping by, okay? I do have a super chat, man. Did you get this twice money? You said, did you get the money twice? I wish. Man, that's crazy. Now, I'm actually live on one stream, but for some reason they gave me two. They split it up and gave me two titles. It is what it is. I'm not worried about this. All right, so let's continue. Let's continue, guys. Let's continue. All right. So right now with Bitcoin, it definitely looks like we want to test the bottom. Let's go to the weekly chart to see how it looks on that weekly. Okay, now the weekly is showing us a good picture real quick. Let's go to that weekly. See, that weekly looks, it gives us a better picture, and it's showing that the sellers looks like they really trying to test these bottoms. Okay. Because this up move right here that happened, what was that, last week? Pretty much, half of this stuff or half of this move is pretty much wiped out. Okay, so just definitely be careful, guys. You know, be careful. I know a lot of YouTubers going to say we're going to have an inverse head and shoulders, blah blah blah, whatever. Okay. But all these moon boys, guys, right now, all the moon boys are definitely nervous right now. They scared they're going to get hit with the Hadouken. They scared, guys. Okay, and I don't want you guys to fall for that and you know, get nervous and get caught up with the nonsense. Okay. Because this market is a bear market. We've been, you know, a bear market for the whole year. And don't think that we're just going to moon up the last couple of days of the year. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, we've been bearish the whole year. So you're going to think we're just going to moon up 2 days after, you know. So you guys really have to understand that a bear market is the same as a bull market, okay? It can last for years, okay? Years. Stop thinking that we're going to moon tomorrow, next week, next month, okay? Because if you think like that, you're just basically going to lose hope, lose money, and not improve, okay? I want you guys to improve. So let's look at some other coins real quick. Okay, Litecoin is selling off like crazy too. All right, we had a nice bearish bar right here and just start selling off. And remember, guys, we had this nice breakout. So if you've been following me for a long time, you know that I tell you guys this all the time. Breakouts, these guys go right back to that breakout. Okay, so be careful. Let's go back to, actually, let's go to what was that, this Litecoin. So let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum selling off like crazy. You know, I mean, this bar right here is telling you that it's very weak. Okay, remember, guys, if you look at this bar, we was green all the way to the top, and then all of a sudden it closed right here. So that's very bearish, and next thing you know, we just selling off like crazy. All right, so just be careful. Let's look at Tron. Yeah, Tron is at resistance, guys. Remember we was talking about this resistance right here with Tron. Okay, so Tron tried to go up a couple of times, and that resistance right here is holding, and it looks like most likely Tron might go back to that breakout. All right. Bitcoin Cash. Oh man, Bitcoin Cash looks weak, bro. This joint looks like it's going right back to the lows, 62. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So, you know, this is what we're dealing with, guys. We're dealing with a market that is so weak. It doesn't care about anything. Okay, it just want to go up a little bit and then go right back down. Okay. Let's see if I see any questions. My thoughts on EOS. Let's look at the charts. Let's look at EOS real quick. EOS is looking very weak, just like everyone else, and basically look like it's going to continue to go right back to the lows of the year right here. That's what it looks like. It looks like it's trying, because if you go to a smaller time frame, you know that this was a breakout right here. So most likely it's going right back to that breakout, and not only it's probably going to the breakout, it's probably going to stop all these guys out. So that's what we're looking at with ETH. Okay, I mean with EOS. What's going on, Randy? Shout out to you. What's going on with this guy? Okay, no, please don't post links. What's going on, Sean? South Africa. Okay, Chris is from South Africa. Shout out to you. Yeah, man, YouTube is wilding out, bro. 2 streams at once. It's all good. People said that it's the same, the same stream. So that's good. Okay. So the real stream is actually, the title is actually another huge Bitcoin crash coming, ? Okay, that's the real one. The second one they have up, I don't know why they have it up, because that's my last live stream, which was on Christmas. All right, so I don't know why they have that up, but it is what it is. Shout out to Mike once again, giving me that $1.99 super chat. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash looking weak, bro. Bitcoin Cash is getting hit with that Hadouken, bruv. Hadouken! Oh my goodness, bro. Bitcoin Cash is getting with Hadouken! What? That joint is a wrap. So, that's what we're looking at, guys. We looking at a lot of Hadoukens and craziness in this crypto world. Okay, now if you go back to Bitcoin, okay, the reason why I've been saying I believe that they want to keep this thing low is because if they continue to go up, okay, there's a lot of people in the crypto space that wants to either break even or cash out. Okay, and we talked about this a long time ago. I don't know if you guys remember this, okay, but I talked about this a long time ago. How these guys, all right, the whales, whatever you want to call them, the people that control the market, these guys are, 100 steps ahead of you guys, all right? They know everything about you. They know when you put your order in. They know where your stop losses are at. They know your entry points. They know when you want to. They know when you're gonna want to sell, when you want to buy. They know everything. Okay. They know how to play with your emotions. So we talked about this before, back in July, how we had this big run up. Everybody thought it was a bullish run up. I actually took a short right here, but people thought we was gonna go to the moon. Okay, and at the time, I actually thought we was gonna go to at least probably 8,900, 9,000, the most. But the more I looked at it, I kind of figured out why they didn't go to those numbers. Okay, number one, a lot of people got stuck in this consolidation right here. So if the price went back to 9,000 or 10,000, a lot of people would probably either break even or sell half, or just get out. All right. And the whales know that. Like I said before, the whales are 100 steps ahead of you. They know everything. They have all the data right in front of their eyes. Okay, so you have to understand that these guys are playing a different game. It's literally like impossible to beat these guys. All right, that's why a guy like me, I don't go against the whales or the big dogs. I don't. Because it's impossible to beat guys like that. They know everything about you. So what I do in order to win, I have to go along with them. Okay, so if they bringing down the market, guess what, guys? I have to go along with the market. So if the market is going down and they bringing it down, I have to go along with that. I have to go down with that. Okay, so I have to short the market. If they shorten the market, I'm shorting their market. If they buying the market, I'm buying the market. That's how it works. Right? If you want to make consistent income. Now, we didn't even make it to 9,000 or 10,000. Okay, and like I said before, I'm quite sure they saw that a lot of people wanted to sell at 9,000 or 10,000, so they didn't bring it up that high. Okay, so this is the same reason why I'm saying this with this. Okay, I don't think they want to bring this thing up too high, because if we go to 5,000, 55, or even 6,000, a lot of people are going to cash out. So the next question would be, okay, Ben, if they cash out, so what? Right? So what? Who cares if they cash out? Well, that's the problem. Okay. Some of you guys don't understand the game. The game is they have to keep you holding. Okay. They have to keep you holding. Why? Because in order for these guys to make money, they have to take your money. Okay. So if the market goes to 5,000 or 55 or 6,000 and you sell all your money, that means that they are not taking money from you. That means that you're basically out the market, and you're done. So that means that they didn't take any money from you. So to eliminate that, they don't want you to get out, period. Okay? They want you to be in the market always, pretty much. They always want you to be in the market. So they don't want you to sell because they want to take your money. So the way I'm looking at it, they want to keep these prices low. They don't want you to sell. And most likely we're going to just continue to go down. Okay? It's just what it is. It's how the bear markets work. It's how these guys work. These guys are, these guys are smart, put it like that. Very, very smart. So let's go to these questions. Let's see if I see anything. And we go from there. We'll see if you guys are talking about something. Let's see here. XRP fanboy said 2K. Yes. Okay. Are we going to see 2K tomorrow? Of course not. Okay, unless this thing just dropped down like that, I don't think we're gonna see 2K tomorrow. But eventually, I believe we will see 2K. XRP fanboy, if you don't think that, express your feelings and say why you don't feel we will go to 2K. The RSI is telling a different story on EOS or undervalue. I don't know what you mean, EOS. The RSI is telling a different story. So what the RSI is saying, okay? Explain or give me a little bit more details. Like what is the RSI telling us, Sean? Sammy said bearish triangle on the 15. What, Bitcoin you talking about? Let's see here. It's getting there. It's not a triangle, but it's getting. It could be a flag. Okay, it's getting somewhere, but it's consolidating. So. But right now we are at levels where this thing could show a little bit support, but at the same time, this thing looks so weak. I don't know. I don't know how they want to play this game, but it looks like most likely we could find some temporary support around here. Just to go right back down. Okay, so right now, what's today's date? The 27th or something like that, 28th. So it looks like they don't want to slam this thing down. I mean, we are going down at the end of the year, but it looks like they want to hold it up a little bit, at least at 36. But we will see at the end of this week, end of this week. How these guys want to play the market. Do they want to keep it up just a little bit and wait to January to do the selling. We will see. Lauren said, thanks, Ben, for all the information. Yes, no problem. Peter said, hello, Big Ben and everybody. I want everyone to know that I purchased Big Ben course and it paid for itself. 2 trades. I went from losing money to saving thousands. I'm currently earning $50 extra a day. Let me give you a round of applause, bro, because I love people that you know, open, you know, have an open mind and decides to take action. So shout out to you, Peter, for making extra money, bro. Because this bear market is brutal, okay? This bear market is brutal. If you don't have my course, definitely check that out. Peter said, I'm grateful for learning the process by the course changed your life. Yeah, if you don't have this course, check it out, bro. I usually give you guys that discount. I don't know if, yeah, let me give you guys that discount real quick. All right. Let me see here. So this is a 50% discount. Check it out. If you have any questions about this course, let me know. I'm going to put the link right here. This discount is only for the live stream. When I get off, it's going right back to 300. So let's go here. All right. You said Digibytes? All right, let's see what's going on here. This looks ugly. I'm not gonna lie about that. Okay, we had consolidation right here, and I remember drawing this triangle because at the time it was I think July, and someone was telling me, hey man, you know, Digibyte looks good, it's going up. And I said, well, it's going up, yes, but at the same time we have resistance right here. And this was back in July. I actually drew this channel in July, and look at this. Okay, hit the resistance and we shot right back down. All right, so right now what you see with this chart is basically you know, continuation. We definitely have some type of resistance right here, and it looks like it's trying to go back to the lows. All right, a lot of these coins looks weak, guys. A lot of these coins look real weak, and I'm hoping you guys are not buying the dips. Please, guys, don't let these YouTubers fool you. Okay, let's look at XRP real quick. Don't let these YouTubers fool you, because they will. They will fool you real quick, guys. They will tell you that these coins are the best coins on the block. Meanwhile, they are not. Okay, this is XRP is another one, guys. XRP, you know, these guys think that this is the best coin on the block. They would say XRP is the standard, whatever you want to call it. But at the end of the day, guys, it doesn't matter if XRP is the best coin, because we are in a bear market. Okay. So what that simply means is XRP can go down a lot too. It's just how it works. What do you think about the stock market? Bearish? It's definitely getting there, bro. Okay, it's definitely getting there. I mean, I'm liking what I see with the stock market. The stock market has to eventually go down, okay, and correct itself. Is it crashing? Basically right now that it definitely looks like it's crashing. Will I call this the top and we're gonna go down and start crashing. I'm not gonna say all that, because a couple of things could happen. Okay, a couple of things could happen. I'm gonna tell you what could happen. We can actually go right back to the top. Okay, just to scare out a lot of people. Okay, a couple of things could happen. I'll show you right now. We can go right back to the top right here, or try to go back to the top, okay, right here, and form maybe a head and shoulders right here. But I don't think they will form a head and shoulders because it's going to be too obvious, okay? So a couple of things what they can do is we can have another pullback, maybe not this high, okay, maybe lower than this, and maybe lower than this, and continue to go down like this. That's a definite, that's a you know, that's a possibility. Or we can just go back to the top. Okay, we could go right back to the top and break the top, stop these guys out. All right, stop those guys out, and guess what? Go right back down. Okay, so we can stop these guys out right here and just go right back down. Okay, create a nice double top, or we might create a triple top and then go right back down. So right now, yes, it looks like it's crashing, but anything can happen. We can, you know, play around some more. But at the end of the day, a guy like me, I don't worry about stuff like this because I'm not a long-term holder with, you know, with anything. Okay, I don't care about long-term anything because it's not the style that I like. All right. But I do love the market when it's crashing because there's a lot of opportunities, a lot of money to be made, and the volatility, it picks up. Okay, so you can make a lot of money in the bear market. This is the bottom. Just bought 100K BTC. Yeah, I know you're joking. I know you're trolling. I feel we may go lower than 2K. I just wanted to, okay, yes. So yeah, I think we can actually go lower than 2K. All right, definitely. 2K is just a number. It's not just like the, you know, the final number. No one knows the final number, but yes, I think we can actually go lower than 2K. How would a stock market crash affect the crypto market? Well, first of all, the crypto market is going down regardless. Okay. Yeah, you have people in the crypto space will tell you anything just to get views and get more subscribers. Okay, they will tell you anything. They would say, "Hey, man, the stock market is crashing. That means that people going to take the money in this, you know, out of the stock market and put it in cryptos." They would tell you something crazy like that. How would it affect cryptos? Honestly, I don't think it's not even. I don't think it's working like that. Okay, I don't think you know, the stock market crashing means that it's going to affect crypto. Honestly, I think they are both separate. And you really have to, like, most people really have to realize that the crypto market benefit from the stock market going up that crazy. Okay, remember, the stock market went up the same time Bitcoin was going up. Okay, Bitcoin crashed way before the stock market was crashing. So basically what I'm trying to say is most people swear up and down that Bitcoin will continue to go up and go to $1 million or whatever crazy number. not realizing that, you know, we benefit from the stock market, and not only the stock market, but the global market. Okay, the whole, you know, the whole, you know, the global market basically was going up during these times. But now you see like the Chinese stock market crashing and all these different markets crashing. You know, we can't go up forever. So don't believe the hype, guys. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe that we will continue just to go up forever and, you know, things will be okay. Please don't think that way. That's why I'm always trying to give you guys other ways to make money instead of just depending on buy and hold. Okay, most of you guys depend on buy and hold, and I don't want you guys to do that, because you guys will not you will not survive in a recession. You guys are gonna get wiped out. %90 of YouTubers are hodlers. Yes, you're right. That's why they're losing, and that's why those guys don't know what they're talking about. Randy said, I already been making profits short in stocks. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. And Randy is actually one of my students. Okay? Shout out to you, bro. Let me give you a round of applause if I could. And guys, you have to, you know, if you get this course right here, you can take these same strategies that I teach you how to short the crypto market, because this course is too, it shows you how to make money in the bear and the bull market. You can take these same strategies and use it in the stock market, forex, commodities. That's what my students are doing. Okay, you can do that. Let's go to these questions here. Yes, most crypto YouTubers are completely, yes, you're right. They are clueless. You're right. I definitely agree with that. The reason why they are surviving is because a lot of them are very good at doing research. Okay, so you do have some people in the crypto space that these guys are very good when it comes to research. Okay. And they're very good when it comes to explaining things. Okay, so they probably come off smart. They probably sound smart. These guys know how to do research. They read the news to you. But at the end of the day, that stuff is not putting money in your pocket. Okay, I don't care about trying to sound smart or anything like that, because, you know, that's not putting money in your guys' pocket. I'd rather show you guys what works. Okay, and what works, guys, is the charts. The charts will never lie to you. Okay, and if you know how to read them, these, you know, the trend and the charts will always be on your side. Okay, so let's go to this thing I was reading. Okay, Wall Street is backing out of crypto. Okay, now, if you know my live stream already, or you've been following me already, you know, I talked about something similar. Okay, I said to you guys that I think Wall Street are playing games. I think these guys are playing games. I think they are, you know, I think on purpose these guys are telling you, we coming in, we coming, and they're not coming. And I know some of you guys are asking yourself or me, why would they do something like that? Well, there's a lot of reasons these guys would do something like that. First of all, you have to understand, these guys, like I told you before, in order for these guys to make money, they have to have people holding the bag, right? So to give you confidence and to give you, you know, give you hope, these guys to have to say, man, we you know, we working on a crypto exchange, or we working on something, and you know, we coming, and you know, meanwhile these guys are doing the opposite. They shorten the market. So my thoughts are, I don't know if these guys are really trying to come in, okay? And even if they do come in, I don't think it's going to be like most people think. I think it's going to be worse, because these guys think that crypto is a joke. I know in mainstream media, they don't say that out in public, but the people that I talk to from Wall Street, you know, you would get a different take in how, you know, basically a different view in how these guys view the crypto market. Like I said, it is what it is. You don't have to believe me, but you know, it doesn't make any sense why some of these guys will rush to get in a market that is only $100 and something billion. You know, the market cap is $100 and something billion. That's peanuts to them. All right. And we saw what happened when these guys actually got in January. So they short this thing, and if they get in again, they might short it again. So it's just, this is why I tell you guys, stop depending on, you know, somebody to bail you out. Most people are depending on somebody to bail them out. Okay, so they're hoping ETFs get approved. They're hoping BAT get approved. Guys, you don't need anyone to bail you out. You can bail yourself out. Okay. You know, it is what it is, though. We talked about this already. So let's go to some questions. Does your program cover short in the stock market? Crypto is dead. Countries are yeah. So basically, first of all, this course right here explains how to make money in a bear in a bull market. Okay. Now, these same strategies you can use in the stock market, and you can use in Forex market. You know, I have students that take these strategies and use them in other markets. Okay. And this program right here is strictly for swing trading. Okay. Now, if you want to get in day trading, I have something totally different. Okay. Which is this. Okay. This is only for day trading, and this is day trading the futures market. Okay. This is what I do full time. And the price right now is the holiday price, which is $750, $200 off. The original price is $950. So if you want to learn more about that, you can, you know, check that out. And that price probably gonna change either January 1st or something like that. But those are two courses that I have right now. And, you know, I totally understand that, you know, you said crypto is dead. I totally understand, okay? That's why I told you guys, listen, while crypto is going down, okay, you can short this bad boy until this thing goes in flat line, okay? So when I make videos talking about, I don't care if Bitcoin goes to $500 or zero, that's the reason, okay? Because you can short this thing all the way down to zero or to 500 or whatever price it goes to. I'm not saying that Bitcoin will go to that price. I'm saying if it does go to that price, you can make money and ride the wave, okay? None of you guys should be mad or pissed off that the market is going down. The reason why some of you guys are mad or pissed off is because you hold in bags and you don't know how to short the market, or you don't want to learn how to short the market. Okay, that's the only reason. Let me see here. You said Chinese New Year's equals 700 BTC. A-Rob said, I have heard exchanges have a buy wall at 3K. It doesn't matter. I mean, if they have a buy wall, I mean, eventually it could break. What's going on, Sander? Rob said, just bought the course, ready to take action with my live, and you said with my life and investments. Let's get it. Shout out to you, Rob, man. Let me give you that bomb, bro. Let me give you that bomb. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for buying the course. Rob, let me ask you a question. Which course did you get? You got the crypto course? Let me give you a round of applause. If you got the crypto course. If you got the crypto course, what I want you to do is email me and send me proof that you got the course so I can send you the Discord room, because these courses comes with a Discord room, and you can, chat with me and my students. So shout out to you, bro. If you have any questions, let me know. Altcoin Al said, Ben, I'm buying your course now. Shout out to you, bro. Let me give you a bomb too. All right, and like I said, guys, if you get this course, please email me when we get off this live stream. So just show me proof that you got the course, so I can give you that Discord room. All right, I want you guys to get in a room. Let me see. Rob said, tired of most of these YouTubers. You keep it real, man. Shout out to you, Rob. Rob, at the end of the day, the reason why I keep it real is because I don't care. Okay? I don't care. If you notice, the people that are honest are the people that don't care. If you notice that, right? People that honest is the people that don't care. And I don't care. The reason why I don't care is because, I'm not really trying to, get a lot of subscribers so I can make money from YouTube, okay? You guys know how I make my money. I make my money from day trading, okay? So if I piss a couple of people off just because, I'm telling the truth, I'm okay with that, okay? I'd rather give you guys the truth and, help you guys out instead of trying to be the popular guy on YouTube, lie to you just to get a whole bunch of subscribers, okay? At the end of the day, that doesn't make sense to me because I can't sleep at night, okay? It doesn't make any sense. So shout out to you, Rob. Thanks a lot for getting that course. Let me think. Let me read these other questions. I think you're spot on. They want us to think they're coming, and they might not. Yes, you're right, RP. RP, you're absolutely right. Okay. I think these guys. Just think about it. These guys been saying this for a long time. Back when they delayed December. I think they delayed January. Look at the ETFs, guys. The ETFs been delayed. Okay, so I think these guys are really playing games, man. Like enough is enough. These guys sound like they playing games. I mean, if you want to, look at it, it looks like these guys are playing games. So what I'm trying to say is forget these guys. Forget Wall Street. Forget all these, banks and stuff. You guys can actually make money without these guys. All right. But shout out to all you guys. I appreciate you, just looking at my live stream, having an open mind. It's very hard to actually get people to wake up. Okay. I was actually reading a quote the other day. Okay, so someone I was actually looking at a YouTube video, and someone actually said this quote. Okay, he said it came from Mark Twain. Let me read this real quick. He says, "It's easier to fool people than to convince them that they have been fooled." Okay, and yes, I think that's 100% correct. I think that's what's going on in the crypto world. Okay, when I tell people, yo, chill out, bro. Stop buying dips. Stop listening to these crazy YouTubers. Stop thinking that your coin is going to $1 million. Stop thinking that the bull market is, around the corner. Let's look at the facts, okay? These guys don't want to hear that. These guys want to be fooled. Okay? These guys don't want you to convince them that they've been fooled, because they can't handle that. They can't handle the truth. Well, I'm here to tell you guys, when I first started out, I was a fool too, guys. I was a fool. Okay, these guys tricked me, had me. I was losing a lot of money, and I'm not even talking about the crypto world. I'm talking about the stock market, but because the stock market is basically the same as the crypto. Okay, and when I came in 2008 when the bear market started. All right, so I definitely understand bear markets. But I had to tell myself, man, I'm a fool. Like, I had to admit that I was a fool. A lot of people don't want to admit that. They don't want to admit when they are wrong. So what they would do is they would keep on buying the dips. They will keep on, cursing you out, saying that you don't know anything. Meanwhile, these guys are down 90%. Guys, does that even make any sense? Sense? Let's think about this for a second, right? A guy like, me, I've been on these live streams this year, right? I've been telling you guys, listen, we are in the bear market. I really think that I was probably the first YouTuber to say that we in a bear market, okay? Because people have been saying, yo, bro, why are you saying that we're in the bear market for? Stop saying that. Okay? I've been short in the market. My students been short in the market. So we've been making money all year. Meanwhile, you have other people that been losing money the whole year, but they want to come on my live stream and tell me I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay? This is the same people right here. These are the same people right here. They don't want to admit when they are wrong. They down 85%, 90%. Meanwhile, they still think they smarter than me, or they think that they know it all. Guys, just relax. We all have to learn from somebody, right? We all have to learn somehow. Stop thinking that you know it all. I had to swallow my pride and say, bro, I don't know nothing. It's time to learn. That's what I had to do to actually get to my level. Now, this thing looks like we will come back and test these lows right here. Okay, the 3,000. Now, it's probably going to be support around these areas, okay? Or a couple of things can happen. We can actually go down. All depends on how quick they want to do this, but we can go down right here and chop around, okay? And then just drop right back down, okay? But it definitely looks like we're going back to these lows right here. It might take a week or two, but it definitely looks like it, all right? So be careful, guys. Stop buying these dips. Please stop. Okay. All right. So let's go to these questions because I'm about to be out of here. It is kind of late. I did a late live stream, but it is what it is. Have you thought about creating a signal copy trading? I thought about it, but at the same time, you know, it's more work for me. Okay, and I don't want that responsibility. I don't want something that feels like work. And also, I don't really want you guys to rely on me, because let's say I decide to go on vacation for 2 months. Guess what, guys? You're down for 2 months. That doesn't make any sense. I'd rather you guys become professionals and, you know, get to a level where, you know, you don't have to rely on me. Like, for example, I have this day trading course. I have students that never day traded in their life. Okay, I show them my strategy, show them my system. They've been practicing, and these guys don't even rely on me. Okay, I check on them, you know, once in a while. I say, hey, bro, you know, how you guys are doing? These guys are making money on their own, not relying on me, and that's the level I want you guys to be on. Let's go back. Rob said, yeah, bro, I bought your course, crypto course. May buy the day trading course later on. I love your content, man. Shout out to you. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Definitely like people that want to, you know, go to the next level, man. Shout out to you, bro. What should I buy now? If you're talking about crypto, Hussein, if you're talking about crypto, then, you know, buying right now is probably the worst thing you could do, period. Okay? What's going on, MK Kush? Ben, how much is your crypto course? My crypto course is actually $300. Okay, but right now it's $150 because I'm on the live stream. Okay, when I go live, I usually give you guys 50% off. So right now it's $150, but the original price is $300. So when I get off this live stream, it's $300. You said, how can I buy it? Well, I'm gonna give you the link. Just click on this link, okay? And once you click on this link, you click buy now, okay? And it will go to what do you call that? You can use PayPal, okay? And you don't have to have a PayPal account. You can use a debit card or a credit card. If you have any problems, let me know. Set up on daily BTC. We had a setup. It's a setup on a 4-hour. Okay, look at the 4-hour right quick. The 4-hour had a nice little triangle and it broke out of it. So if you guys took that break, you know, you guys would be in the money right now. Probably taking some profits. Yes, that's my email address right here. Sanda is correct. So if you want to email me, definitely email me, especially if you have the course by now. Email me at this email address so you can get the Discord room if you have the course. Hi, Ben. What did you do before trading? That's a good question. Okay. When I graduated from high school, I was lost, man. I didn't really know. I knew, you know, for a fact that I didn't want to go back to school. I really hated high school or, you know, any type of school. So I didn't go to college. I went to a tech school. And I went to automotive school for 1 year to get, you know, my automotive certificate. Okay. After that, I worked at Honda for a while, working on cars. I got tired of that, and while I was doing that, I was trying to figure out how can I work for myself. Okay, this is when the internet wasn't. It was the internet was basically, you know, it wasn't big, but it was you know, like starting to get there. Okay, like a lot of people was talking about the internet, so I was looking to see if, you know, like how can I make money. Like I wanted to be my own boss, so you know, I was just trying a lot of things at the time. I was trying to I tried to be a real estate agent. I was trying to wholesale real estate. I was trying a whole bunch of things. Actually, I finally saved up some money, and I said, you know what? Let me see if I can buy and sell cars, because I know about cars, right? I know about cars, so let me buy and sell cars. So that's what I did for a while, and I actually a person that I was buying a person, you know, a guy who was selling a car, and I bought it from him. And he actually introduced me to the stock market, and that's how I got into it. All right. So, but when I got into the stock market, you know, it wasn't like, boom, I'm successful. No, it took me a while. So while I was doing that, I was still working. Okay. And, you know, back and forth. At the time, you know, my last job I was doing like Uber, and that was pretty much it. I mean, basically trying to figure out how things, or trying to figure out how to make a living without having a boss. Okay, I really hate the 9-to-5 grind, man. So I mean, don't get it twisted. I work my butt off though, you know. Let me see here. Let me read these questions. Altcoin Al said, I just bought your course, Ben. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Thanks a lot for the support, and I appreciate you buying the course, bro. And also, if you have any questions, let me know. And email me, okay? Let me give you my email address. Email me, show me proof, so I can give you that Discord room. Shout out to you, Altcoin Al. Welcome, bro. And I'm just, you know, I'm just proud of you, because, you know, you decide to go to that next level, learn how to read the charts. Because I'm telling you guys, all you guys are going to websites like this, trying to look for the answer, right? You go into websites like this, you're trying to look for the answer. Oh my gosh, why are we tanking for? Why are we tanking? Some news, you know, what's going on? And I'm trying to let you guys know the answers are not here. Okay, the answers are here on the chart. Okay? You won't get the correct answers reading the news. You will get the correct answers on the chart. So you guys really have to start learning the charts, start learning how to read the charts. Shout out to you, Altcoin Al. Shout out to you, bro. If you have any questions, let me know. Bear market till February only 19. Why do you think Bitcoin the market will be the bear market will be in February only? I mean, till February only 2019. Let me go back. You said good time to invest in gold. I don't know, bro. It's very hard to, you know when things are going to pop off. I'll be the first to tell you guys. I'll be the first to tell you that I'm not trying to sound smart. Okay, you know, I don't care about trying to sound smart. all I do is look at the chart and see if it's a possibility we can make money from these charts. Now, gold right here is bouncing, okay? And it's having a nice little short-term bounce. So if you are a long-term holder and if you're buying gold, you know, I'm quite sure you guys are probably getting excited. Oh, hold on. Let me actually go to the daily chart. I thought this was a daily chart. Let me go to the daily chart. All right, so you know, we're going up right now. Now, gold if you look at this, gold has resistance right here. So gold has to break this resistance. Okay. So is it a good time to buy gold? I don't know. Okay. But I will tell you that we have resistance right here. I would like to see gold break out of the resistance, either pull back to the resistance and shoot back up, okay? Or if it doesn't pull back to the resistance, at least break it, hold the break, and then continue to go back up. That's very bullish right there, okay? But, you know, you just gotta wait. Let me see. You said put up the ticker. What ticker? What ticker you talking about? Steve said, love your content, bro, man. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it, bro. MK Kush said, it's coming, bankruptcy. And you know what, guys? You know, that's just, you know, it might sound funny, but you know, a lot of people are going to get wiped out. You know, a lot of people are going to get wiped out during this bear market, guys. Because you're going to have people buy the dips every single time it goes down. Now watch, if Bitcoin goes and break these lows, you're going to have more people buying more dips. I just don't get it. How many lows are we going to create? You're going to keep on buying dips? This thing can go low. Like a lot of people swear up and down that Bitcoin can't go below 2,000. It can't go below 1,500, 1,000. Like that's what most people think. And you know, like I said, a lot of people will feel it. Any thoughts on the latest market manipulation by the PPT? What are you talking about? PPT. I'm out the loop, so you know, explain to me. I'm out the loop. The plunge protection team, what about it? You said the latest what is the latest news? That's what I mean. Like what is the latest news? Explain to me what happened. All right, so guys, you know, it was fun. I'm about to get out of here. It's 11:30. I know some of you guys want to go to bed. But, you know, guys, please stop buying the dips. Look for confirmation before you do anything. It's best to do that. You will save a lot of money, guys. You will save a lot of money. And if you learn how to read the charts, you can make money to the downside until that bull market comes. Don't be that guy that just only, you just only know how to buy and you're waiting for a bull market, okay? Because you might be on the sidelines for a long time waiting for a bull market. Meanwhile, you got people like me and my students and other people that know how to read the charts, making money in the bear market. Okay, you don't have to wait. Forget waiting, guys. We don't have time to be waiting. A recession, I believe, a recession is going to come real soon. It might not come next year, but it might come a couple of years from now. And some of you guys are probably going to get laid off or whatever the case. I don't want you guys to get laid off, but that's the reality of when it comes to a recession. So I don't want you guys to get laid off and you don't have a skill. Okay. The beauty of learning how to read the charts is you can actually make money in a recession. I love this. Like a lot of people that don't understand the market, okay, when I talk to them and I tell them what I do, and when they see the market crashing, they think I'm losing money. Oh man, you're a day trader, man. You must be losing a lot of money, man. The market is crashing. I just shake my head because these guys are brainwashed. Okay? No. Traders like me, we don't lose money when the market is crashing. We actually love that because it's more volatility in the market. Okay? You can make more money. The people that are losing are the people that's holding. Those are the people that's losing. So I want you guys to be prepared whenever recession comes. Stop thinking that the bull market is going to come in February, March, June. No one knows. No one has a crystal ball. Stop it, guys. Okay? Quick Shot said, Ben, I just purchased your course. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. Quick Shot, what I want you to do is email me. Let me give you my email address because I want you to get the Discord room. Okay, so email me right now. I could just show me proof that you got the course, so I give you that Discord, man. Shout out to you, bro. Thanks a lot for that support, and I definitely love that you want to improve and take things to the next level, bro. So if you have any questions, just email me. Just email me. MK Kush said, how you guys going to buy the dip if you get laid off? That's so funny. What's going on, Davina? Good night too, Davina. Thanks a lot. And I'm still waiting for that email, Davina. I'm still waiting for that email. Now, guys, it's getting late, so I'm about to get out of here. I have to day trade tomorrow morning. Honestly, I didn't even mean to do a live stream this late, but it is what it is. I have to day trade tomorrow morning, so let me get some rest. I hope you guys had a good time tonight. Just make sure that you be careful in these markets. The whales are out here to trick you, out here to take your money. They create patterns on a chart to fool you guys. They did it here. They're going to continue to do it. Okay, they first of all they did a V bottom right here. A lot of people thought this was the bottom right here. Oh, you see this V bottom? You see this V bottom right here? And then they did double bottoms right here. Okay, they did inverse head and shoulders. They do all these different patterns just to confuse you. Okay, now a lot of moon boys are talking about this inverse head and shoulders. Okay, and they might do this right now to confuse you. Okay, so stop thinking that we're gonna bottom and we're going to the moon. Bear markets, it takes time for it to play out, and it usually ends by going sideways. So stop thinking that this is the bottom. Usually when you deal with bear markets, you're dealing with at the end, you're dealing with sideways, okay, action. And that's when you can sort of kind of tell we are at the end. Right now, we don't have no sideways action. It's just going down. Anyway, guys, appreciate all you guys tuning in. Have a great night. Make sure you study. Always look to improve, not just as an investor, but as a human being, as an individual. All right. Talk to you guys later, and have a great night.